in Blue Star. Now, say for example, every branch, if you take it, if you take a Chennai, Tamil Nadu branch, this will be the largest business within Blue Star. They are all in every location. Even if you take Jaipur or if you take Kochi, in each of the locations, it is the largest business within Blue Star portfolio. It is the largest business subsidiarized to Blue Star Engineering and Electronics Limited. These are city surveillance, so on and so forth. The global market moved up by 30%, primarily driven by China, which used to be somewhere around 50 to 55 million units. It has moved up to 80 million units. They had a great year, and most of their factories are overflowing, and they are finding it difficult to cope with the demand in China. That demand continues even now there. And the market size in India is 5.5 million units. It's a penetration of around 4%. So it is less than 5% category, but not many durables will be like that. But we are in a phase where this should keep on accelerating. If somebody is supposed to be a La Nino year, so La Nino is opposite to El Nino. Temperatures, etc. It is predicted that we will have a very hot and harsh summer season. It is going to be one of the years where it is going to be extremely hot. As an air conditioning company, we will celebrate a hot season. So that many of us individually will feel uncomfortable. But the fact of the matter is that it is golden summer season, as we call it. It is a festival season for a company like Blue Star. It is even more an important season for the simple reason it is going to be followed by a great monsoon. So this particular year will be a good summer year and a great monsoon year. So, and we purified that, as I had told you last year, our ultimate goal is to eliminate that air purifier 2018. So it is another big leap forward. So the question may be that how long the set of consumers, some category prefers to use this. So that app also you will see. And the 5 heat. Good afternoon. I am Tyagarajan, Joint Managing Director of Blue Star, India's largest central air conditioning and commercial refrigeration company. We are pleased to launch the new range of room air conditioners today in Chennai. We have launched around 100 models, out of which 40 models of state-of-the-art, innovative inverter air conditioners. We have brought in specific innovations this year in line with the theme that extraordinary air conditioners. It delivers 30% more cooling. It has got an extra comfort. It can set the temperatures depending on the decimal that you want, 0.1, 0.2 like that, 24.1, 24.2 like that. It has got an extra purification features there in line with our ultimate goal to integrate air purifiers with the air conditioners. It is extra quiet because it has got a special jacket on the compressors and also a brushless DC motor in order that it can control the noise. So it is a quiet experience that we are delivering. And we are a number 3 player in Tamil Nadu market with a market share of around 15%. So Tamil Nadu is an important market for us, and it has been a lucky one as well ever since 2011, where every year we have outperformed the market or grown faster than the market. Our market share now is 11.5%. We want to reach a market share of 12.5% in the coming year. The indications are that it will be a very, very hot summer, and we expect that this market will do extremely well. Thank you.